You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, this word originally from German, correctly. Many get it wrong. I know it's confusing. It's from German. It means paper cutting. The German pronunciation is as Scherenschnitte. Scherenschnitte, the art of cutting paper into decorative designs. In English, this word has been adopted and it's pronounced as Scherenschnitte. Scherenschnitte. Scherenschnitte from the German pronunciation Scherenschnitte. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.